Have you ever heard a knocking noise from your engine right after a cold start and wondered what it means? It could be piston slap. In this video, we'll explain what piston slap is, why it happens, the most common causes behind it, and what you should do before it turns into a more expensive engine problem. Let's get started. Cause 1. Excessive piston-to-cylinder wall clearance. The first cause of piston slap is wear over time. As engines age, the pistons and cylinder walls naturally wear down as well. This wear can create a gap between the piston and the cylinder wall that's larger than ideal. When the piston moves up and down, the extra space allows it to shift side to side, causing the knocking or rattling sound known as a piston slap. This issue is more common in aluminum engine blocks because aluminum expands and contracts differently than iron when it heats up and cools down, which can lead to larger gaps between the piston and the cylinder wall. If you notice this happening, try to check your engine's oil levels and quality, as low or dirty oil can worsen the wear on the pistons and cylinder walls. But if the piston slap is caused by excessive clearance, the engine may need to be rebuilt or the pistons replaced. However, if the issue is minor, sometimes adjusting the engine's timing or improving lubrication can reduce the noise. It's still the best move to have a mechanic diagnose the issue to determine if further action is needed. Cause 2. Increased clearance during cold starts. The second main cause of piston slap is related to the cold clearance of the piston. When the engine is started cold, the piston may slap against the cylinder walls more noticeably until the parts expand and fit together more tightly. This is because metal components contract in colder temperatures and expand as they heat up. As a result, you may hear louder knocking or rattling sounds at startup. But these sounds usually diminish as your engine warms up and the metal parts expand to their proper size. If this happens, there's usually no need to worry, as the noise should go away once the engine warms up. But, if the noise lasts longer than normal or is louder than usual, it's a good idea to check the oil level and condition. Fresh oil can help lubricate the parts better. If the noise continues, it could mean that the piston clearance is too large, and you should have a mechanic check your engine already to see if any parts need to be replaced or adjusted. We want you to remember that vehicle parts are designed to work smoothly and quietly without causing you discomfort or extra noise while driving. So when issues like piston slap occur, it's a sign that something isn't functioning as it should. Ignoring the problem can lead to further wear and tear, potentially causing more serious damage to the engine or other components. It's also important not to take these noises lightly, as addressing them early can save you from more costly repairs down the road and help keep your vehicle running smoothly. We hope this video helped you better understand what causes piston slap and when it's time to take action. If you're experiencing engine noises or any other car problems, leave a comment below and let us know. We may cover your issue in an upcoming video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next automotive repair guide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.